In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Salesforce report public. If your report lives in your private reports folder, only you can see it. To make it visible to your team, you'll move it into a shared folder. That's what public effectively means in Salesforce, placing the report in a folder that others can access based on their permissions. Start by signing in and going to Salesforce. Give the page a moment to load so your navigation bar and recent items are ready. From there, click Home to land on your main workspace. This ensures you're starting from a familiar, consistent place in the Lightning experience. Next, click Reports on the navigation bar. This opens the Reports home, where you can browse, search, and manage your reports and folders. If your org looks a little different, that's okay. Layouts can vary by permission set and app, but the Reports area works the same way once you're there. Now select the report you want to make public. If you're not sure where it lives, remember that anything you created that isn't shared yet usually sits in private reports. It's a good idea to confirm you've picked the correct report by glancing at its name and, if needed, opening it briefly to verify the contents before you move it. Click Private Reports to view your personal folder. This is where your report is currently stored and why others can't see it yet. You'll move it out of this private space and into a shared location. Find the report in the list. Then click the drop-down arrow next to its name. This reveals actions you can take on the report without opening it. Look for Move and click it. The Move action opens a dialog that lets you choose a new destination folder. In the folder picker, click Shared with Me. This section shows folders that have been shared with you by others or made available to your role. Choosing a folder here is what makes the report public to that folder's audience. Select the appropriate shared folder that matches who should have access, such as a team, department, or a company-wide folder, so the right people can find and use the report. A quick tip: if you don't see the folder you expect, you might not have access to it yet, or you may need permission to move reports. In that case, check with your Salesforce admin to confirm the correct shared folder and your level of access. That's it. By moving the report from private reports into a folder under Shared with Me, you've made it visible to everyone who can access that shared folder. Your team can now find it directly from the Reports area.